Hi everyone, I'm back again. There are the mudguards I have sprayed, and I have brought out some other stuff I have sprayed, and I have forgot to bring out that black sheet when I sprayed. But look at that sheet, look at that lot there that has been sprayed. Just going to pick this black sheet up and move it, so I can put this down. Put this down over here. Yes, that's in really good. So then I can pick up the can and give this a spray. Wow, that chrome absolutely goes pop. It goes bang. And I'm extremely happy with it. I like it a lot. Now, I'm going to pause this and I'm going to go back in. Now I'm going to sit down and start painting up the chassis of the truck. Okay, just a sec. Now, we go in and paint this up. Paint this chassis up green. Beautiful green. The green that's here in front of me. So I'm going to paint up all the chassis. I found a couple of pieces I missed when I was doing the black. Oh well, I can still fix them up afterwards. And I painted up one piece that was not a piece for the sleeper. Oh well, I can fix that piece up as well too. Just going to open this up, get the stir and stir. What a beautiful green, a light green, a light lime green. Like me, I like to make things look nice, make them stand out and look nice and gorgeous. Clean this off, stir this up. Get this all stirred and then I can paint it. I think I might do my engine up yellow so I can carry that through and then I can highlight other stuff with other different colours. Make it look different. Get this green stirred up. This is a new jar of green paint that I've got here. Now what I've got on here, I'm just going to go dab, 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 dab. So then it goes onto there. I'll paint over it afterwards. This is acrylic. I said an enamel before, but I have acrylic paint, and this is what I like a lot. This is what I always use, is the acrylic. Like what I'm doing before with the black. I dip and then wipe. Now, get all this done up. I'll work out, I might paint those hangers a different thing, and those airbags, those airs a different way too. I know this being black, I'm going to have to work on this. This being black, I'll have to give this a couple of coats. I don't mind that. Doing that, giving this a couple of coats. I'll paint all this. There's other bits that go through it. I've got to paint all that up as well and bring it all through. She'll look good when she's all up and done. Green and yellow will look nice. To me, I reckon. Green with a yellow engine and white. I might still paint the other front suspension yellow as well, so then it all pops. It all looks good. I know another piece I have to paint green while I've got this brush going is that piece there. This is chassis. Get this all fixed up out of the way. It's all done up out of the way. This lot of green looks a bit thin to me, but oh well. It's stirred up, but it just looks thin. It's a bit watery to me. She'll come good though. She'll come right. Paint these crossies. These cross bits. I don't paint them there because they go inside the chassis. Well, I paint up stuff that goes inside when it's not going to be seen. You're not going to see it. I rather paint up these bits here that you will see them. look underneath it, but I know this truck's going to be glued down, but it's just still, and even when gluing this up, you'll see how that goes together. Now, this piece here is another centre piece. This piece, the front engine hanger, I have to do that piece. Do all this. Now I'll get back into doing this. Get this all done up. Yeah, black, she'll take a little bit for her to come right, but you'll see that afterwards, after I give it a couple of coats, how good she'll look. You can understand why I don't stick to normal paint colours. I like to do mine different. Makes them stand out a lot more. Makes them stand out, and they look so beautiful. I'm not skying or nothing, but to me, they just look wow to me. To me, this stuff just looks wow. I like them a lot. How I do my stuff. Just the second coat will make it. Yeah, I'll fix it up. Being black, she'll be right. The engine and the shaft and the rad goes into this piece. This front piece. This top piece. This here. I just found two other bits I need to I have to do black. I have to do black. Let that dry, let all this dry, and I'll re-go back over it again after it dries. So then it will look more, lot brighter. A lot brighter to me then. It'll get paint right down the side of that, because that there, what I'm just touching now, it steps up onto the back plate, up to where the back plate goes from behind the dog box. Yes, I know I'm painting over holes, and holes where parts go, but I can always pop them out. See, like that's kind of a thin coat, so I'm just getting there. Oh, I don't want a hair there, because that's going to be seen. I have to get that hair off. Don't like hair there. Not good having a hair. Don't know where that came from. I hope it didn't come from my brush. I'll deal with it. I'll deal with it. Done up out of the way. Now the hair. I'm going to get a fine tool, and I'll get underneath and I can repaint it while it's still fresh. Like that. It's out of the way. Good. Now I can just run the brush over it. You won't even know it was there. It's gone. Especially this front bit here, what I want to make look the absolute best, because this will be exposed. Because when I leave the bonnet off, I want this front bit here absolutely spotless. All the rest of this, there's parts hanging over, but it'll still be seen, but be partly covered up though as well. Wow, it's starting to come along well now. Got a couple of coats of paint and they're starting to pop along. One thing with the water paint, while she's still wet, You can mix other, and you can keep putting the same back in, and it just goes, just all blends in, makes it look good. Now I'm going to stand this up, because there, show you in a sec, right there is the top edge. It's the top leading edge of the chassis. So just want to get that all covered up. I know there's going to be parts of it, but this front bit here is the most important, because that's where the engine is. I don't want that being exposed. I'd rather do it all now before I film it. I know some people build first and then paint up. I rather do it my way. I know everyone does things different ways. That's up to them. It's how they will want to do it. Now, I'm going to flip over. Let me have a look for a sec. Well, that can come this way. A piece. That little flat piece. After I put it all together, then I can do touch-ups, and after I get this chassis all together, then I can touch her up. That's the underneath. That's underneath I'm doing. Here's the top. Get this fixed up. Here's the top, where I want to look absolutely right. This top bit here. That bit right there. Might be out of shot, I don't know, but no. See, that's underneath there. With that like that, underneath, I can run the brush across it and get that in there, underneath. Oh. Turn this around so I can get to spots where I can't get to because the pieces are in the way. It's underneath and I can run the brush underneath it. Get that through there, that through there. Now that top piece, go down to there. Oh, a bit warm. Just feeling a bit warm at the moment. Now, okay. I'm not sure she's absolutely spot on. Absolutely spot on right. Where's that nice cool breeze it should be about? I just like to do my things like this green. Makes them look different. Stand out and makes it look nice. Okay, that's the green of that. Just going to have a look some parts on the engine. Move this piece out of the way. Over here. Get that piece out of the way. This piece is so simple and easy. I think I might leave this rest of this to the other parts. Yep. I might cap this and then do the engine. Draw the engine up. Get that done out of the way. Get my yellow and do that up out of the way. Get that green closed up. Brush cleaned off. Now I'm going to grab this and do all my engine. That's engine. That there's engine. That bit there's all engine. So I'm going to get all that done. I'm going to get all this head done. I need to get all that done. And then I can work all these other bits out afterwards. Having more water just comes so clean for you. Okay, well I've got the yellow too because I'm going to paint the seats, I'm going to paint the dash and all that, so I've got to find all the dash pieces. I know where the dash is, up in here. There's the dash there. I can fix all that there up, paint all that up, because I'm going to be painting this. I'm going to bring it through to like how I always do. Bring it through, make it look good. I can see there's a few spots of black where I have to repaint. They can be easily fixed up afterwards. Now, grab this yellow, this lemon yellow. This on. Hope this is in view. What I'm doing. I know one thing I haven't done. Have not stirred it. Have to get the stir and stir it. Just need not to stir the paint. Put that in there and clean that off. I'm rushing to get jobs done. I don't want to rush. I know I need to get those marbles, those small paint stirring marbles, and drop them into my paint. Then that mixes the paint up. Drop 2 or 3 into it and then fix it up. I know there's bits on here I can see, but I'll have to paint up chrome silver to get the chrome, what leftover chrome silver I've got, and paint them. Put that back in there. Now grab this out, clean this brush off again. Now here it is now. It's a bit pale. Oh well, doesn't matter. It was coating it for me anyway. This here, it gets it all covered. Black takes a fair bit to cover, but it will get done. Something that has to be done. Put the paint in there. That's how I worked out to get that done in there. It'll dry in there and it will dry up. That's that. It's the top off the engine. That's the head plate off the engine. As I build, you'll see it all coming. This here will have to be painted. That's the front. So the front piece of the engine. I know there's parts going here, but I can fix it all up. There's a belt there. I can fix all that and that up after it's done. Fix it up. When she glues up, then she'll be. Then I can fix it up. Gotta get this done. This back piece here done. It's part of the engine. Dab. I don't mind. You've got to get the paint in the spots. Yellow, once you stir her up, she's thick. She's thick and good. Yeah. So I'm doing that. Yellow, I can get the seats done too. That gold flake, this yellow will look good. I know I need this yellow for the bus as well too, but I can get more. I can get more of this lemon. bring it through, highlights it. Get it all in there. So it soaks into all those little crevices in there. When the seats go together, that's when I can touch it up too. Put the seats to go together. Yeah, it's just black, and you can see it though. Fix it up.